Right, so as you can see, it's now cleared. Up here is a bit dusty, so I'm going to see if I can wipe it off from now. So this was the original color of the wardrobe. As you can see, it's a brownish color, but I had sprayed it in black, but you know the top never get no spray apparently. So this is the original color. Since I take down everything now, I'm going to organize them. This sheet is dirty, so by the time I finish do everything, I can put it in the wash. I'm going to put them in groups, and then I can organize from there. Put whatever, put the stuff them where they should go. So for example, organizing containers. These are stuff that I'll be using in my kitchen, at my office area, and also maybe in the bedroom, so I'll put them where they are. So I'm going to take out everything out of the bag. Let me get a garbage bag right now. Alright, so I have a garbage bag just to put the stuff them in. And what these are stuff that I purchased. I did hauls with these already, but just in case you guys haven't seen those hauls, I will just tell you where I get some of these stuff from. So my garbage bag is ready, and alright, so first bag, I have this water dispenser. So those big bottle, I need one of those big water bottles so I can utilize these. This was from my Temu haul, haven't used it as yet. This is a vegetable peeler. These were some stuff I bought from Temu as well. It says magic toilet cleaner. I think I just drop it in there, and you know, since I'm going to clean my bathroom, I'm going to test it out today. Oh, this is a card organizer I bought from Temu as well. Like, you put it to the side of the table. It's a peel and stick. You put it at the side of your nightstand, and instead of the cards dropping on the floor, you can always hook it on it. And this is a box cutter and eraser. So you know, when I purchase my package, I can always cut it. And all garbage bag. Oh, you know, these are some microfiber cloths that I use. I use them in the kitchen and bathroom. One leave, I need to get back some more. So, kitchen. These are some $1 and $5 coins I've been saving. So this is a gentle skin cleanser, Cetaphil. I purchased this from Pink's Fabric Store, $2,800. And these are some hanging hooks as well. And this is a knife. I think I have another knife somewhere. It's a two-piece knife set. I got it from my friend. Alright, so this bin is cleared out already. Alright, so everything is out of a bag now. So as you can see, I purchased so many stuff, and these stuff were like at Pink's. I purchased these. So these were like $100. In US it would be a couple cents. So 100 Jamaican dollars, couple cents in US. Alright, so I'm going to take the kitchen stuff in the kitchen. So these cup, yeah, them need to start use now. Yeah, them need to start use. So I'm going to take them to the kitchen right now and get these out of the way. Alright, so all kitchen stuff going into the kitchen. The knives going in the kitchen. The peeler going in the kitchen. What else here for the kitchen? Knife, peeler. Alright. Hungry Mama. This is for the microwave. What you do, you throw the vinegar in it and then it steam. You put it in the microwave and heat and it's steaming there and eat it to clean. Alright. Some of this is for the kitchen as well. I think 2. I'm going to put 2 in there. Yeah. Alright. Bathroom. I think I have 3 of these. So one of them are going at the kitchen. Let's see if one. Let me see. Bathroom. Alright, so bathroom. One of these can go in the kitchen as well, or 2. So bathroom and kitchen. Yeah, these.
I am enough. I am enough. I am love. I am love. Oh, life is good. Life is good. Life is good. I am enough. I am enough. I am love.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk and